Hello viewers, today we will discuss concept of impossible events. In probability theory, an impossible event is an event that cannot occur in a random experiment. An impossible event has a probability of 0. Examples of impossible events include drawing a card from a deck and finding that it is a unicorn, or rolling a fair die and getting a number greater than 6. These events cannot occur because they are not included in the sample space of the experiment, which is the set of all possible outcomes. Probabilities of events range from 0 to 1, with 0 representing an impossible event and 1 representing a certain event. The sum of the probabilities of all events in a sample space must be equal to 1, reflecting the fact that one of the possible outcomes must occur in every experiment.